Introducing a new company by the name of Puff Shot Life. The world's first portable 510 rig, y'all.
Hey y'all, this episode right here gonna be mad, lit, and epic. Cause we have the world's first ever portable e-rig, y'all. Guess who that's by? Puff Shot, y'all. Wow. Y'all see that? Okay, now y'all get a chance to see me unbox it, y'all. Big shout out to Puff Shot. The great one, really appreciate it. I was not expecting this to be here so soon. Okay. Slide open. Hey, presentation already killing the game, y'all. Look at that. Puff Shot. Hold on. Let's get this box open for y'all. See what we got all up in here. Okay. Okay. It's a 510, y'all. This is a 510 Puff Shot portable e-rig, y'all. And let's give you like some slight instructions. And the rest of them is on the back to tell you what it includes. Hands-free automated activation, LED screen indicator, preheat function. Let's see what's to this. Wow. So it comes with a straw. That's exclusive. Okay. Eee. Look at him, y'all. Look at this Puff Shot. Okay, now it's on, y'all. See that? Wow. Let's see. How you take this off? You twist it and it come off. But this is how it looks when it comes off. Here go your silicone. Here goes your silicone pieces. Here go your glass. Okay. What else do we have in here? You got your mouthpiece, y'all. And you also got your charger, which is a Type-C, y'all. And the good thing about this one, this time this joint came on a full battery. The last time I had to charge it up. Big shout out to Puff Shot for having that thing already charged up for your boy. And see, I got my keychain on. We're gonna try this Pyntrees cart out of this Puff Shot e-rig device, y'all. Okay, so you put that on there like this. Okay, now here go your mouthpiece. Okay, and that's how it look when it's all together and it turned off. Yay. Ooh, wee. Shit. Okay. Look at that, y'all. Damn. This is hard, y'all. Wow. Big shout out to Puff Shot for blessing the great, the world's first ever portable e-rig by Puff Shot. So y'all get on down now. Tell them the great one sent you. And get y'all one of these portable e-rigs, y'all. This thing is amazing. Whoo-wee, this just made my day. It's actually just made my year. Let's give it another run, y'all. And you don't have to hold that button. It fill up on its own. So you can just keep getting lit, y'all. Ooh. This thing is kick-ass. Wow. Low-key, discreet, and hitting hard, y'all. And it's only at 1.5, y'all. And the hard part, that keeps your vapors sealed inside. So whatever you don't hit, you can still come back and hit it, y'all. Hold on. We'll be back in a smoker session minute with another episode from this Puff Shot device, y'all. Because my first time using this, oh, this is hardcore. Big shout out to Puff Shot, the great.